The quality of water, especially in rivers across Indonesia, has decreased due to the amount of pollution in the form of solid and liquid waste originated from household and small-scale businesses and/or activities that require real attention and action to be handled by Ministry of Environment and Forestry, Republic of Indonesia. As a country with the largest Muslim population in the world, many Indonesians use water for ablution or wudhu as part of their worship. This means that Indonesia is faced with limited water resources that meet water standards suitable for use. The decrease in groundwater level due to groundwater extraction and the large amount of grey water from wudhu that is wasted into the environment without being utilized. Ministry of Environment and Forestry launched a program for the utilization of wastewater in mosques and Islamic boarding schools, with the aim of reducing the burden of pollution, especially from domestic waste by treating the wastewater communally before being discharged into water bodies. After determining the location where the program will be implemented, the detailed engineering design is then prepared covering aspects of design construction, landscape, community empowerment concept, and development budget. In Masjid Istiqlal, Ministry of Environment and Forestry is able to recycle the wastewater from the wudhu with a capacity of 100 cubic meters per day. The wastewater from wudhu is processed in the ultrafiltration system, which can filter colloids, turbidity, bacteria, and various impurities. This clean processed water is then reused for wudhu. And with this procedure, Masjid Istiqlal could save more than $2,500 in water expenses per year. In South Borneo, Ministry of Environment and Forestry built toilet facilities and wastewater treatment plant that treat domestic wastewater from 2,000 students at Darul Hijrah Islamic Boarding School. 50% of the wastewater is treated with biodigester system that can generate biogas as a substitute to fossil fuel for kitchen activities, and the clean processed water can be streamed back to the river. The benefit of energy substitution from the use of biogas economically is around $1,750 per year. The other half is processed in the wastewater treatment plant to be reused to water the garden and for other purposes that need clean water. This process could decrease the pollutant load of BOD, COD, and TSS as much as 90%. Until 2021, Ministry of Environment and Forestry has built wastewater treatment and utilization in 98 mosques and Islamic boarding schools. It has proven to be able to reduce the BOD pollutant load by more than 15,000 tons per year. The utilization of mosque and Islamic boarding school wastewater is expected to be an example of the involvement of cross-sectoral participation to support each other between the government, the community, and the private sector as a joint effort to protect the environment and also achieve sustainable development goals. Presented by Ministry of Environment and Forestry of the Republic of Indonesia.